Okay, hi. I thought I would show you quickly about this user catalog thing. I'm going to open my File Explorer on my computer. I'm going to go to, let's see, I'm going to go to My Documents. Let's go to My PC. And I had some trouble with the Drive C was getting too full, so I moved My Documents to this hard drive. Normally you would go, on most computers, you would just go to Drive C and let's see, users, me, and then there's data files here. I've got a lot of different Cheap Architect Premier applications on my computer. Here's a X9. Oh, that one's empty. Okay. Wrong place. Let me go start over. I think my stuff's on Drive E. Yeah, okay, this looks more like it. Here's a X8, X3, X4, X5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, X1, X2, and home designer applications. Part of my business, I service a lot of different users that haven't upgraded and so forth. So anyway, let's go look over here in X9. And you go to, in the X9 data folder, you look for, let's see, what's the name of that file? Duh. Database libraries. Okay, and here's my X9 user .calib, and it's it's about a gig and a half. And so if this didn't transfer over to X10, then I could just leave that there. I just wanted to show you where it is. It's in database libraries. Now I'm going to open X10. Yarp. Okay, I'm just going to open a new plan. And then you go to library, well, fumble fingers, library, import library CALIB. Left click, you get a dialog. Now we're going to navigate. I clicked on this PC. We'll go to Documents and X9 Data, Database Libraries, select, and then I would click on Open, and that would bring that in. Now, I don't need to because I've already done that with my old stuff. When you install the program, it should have, the install routine should have, let me drag this over here from my other monitor. It should have brought this in. If it doesn't, you can still import it like I was showing you. Let's go over here to Library, Import, CALIB or CALIBZ, left click, navigate, and to where you want the, let's go to X8 this time, Database Libraries, and there's the user library. Or we go to X3, Database Libraries, user. Now, for some reason this isn't showing the size, but you get the idea. I just wanted to show you how to do that so that anybody wanting to do this and it doesn't happen during the installation process, you can still manually use this command here and get her done. Okay? Thanks for watching.